Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the state holders and pillars of education. Let's welcome the PTA officials, Narabaya municipal officials and elected officials. Let's give the acknowledgement to the pillars of this institution. Providing the staff of Pali National High School together with an honored guest. Superintendent, Ma'am Cristina Ebe, 65, to our Pali School District Supervisor, Ma'am Erlinda Dinoy, to our beloved school principal, Ma'am Edna Jubehan, to our state guest speaker, Michelle Aguilaro, dynamic teachers and staff, guests, our dear parents and fellow competitors. Good afternoon and welcome to the 9th hour ceremony of Pali National High School. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. A quote from Colin Powell. With great joy and pride, I stand before you today as we celebrate this momentous milestone in our academic journey, or moving our ceremony. Today marks a special day for us as we take step forward, leaving behind a chapter filled with hard work, growth, and unforgettable memories. To begin with, let me express my sincere appreciation to all the parents and guardians for their patience, unwavering support, encouragement, and love. Your guidance has been invaluable. We hope to continue making you proud as we take it from very small to make this milestone equal and memorable. Once more, welcome and afternoon. Thank you.
Ceremony has come. May we call in Ma'am Edna G. Becan, School Principal 1, for the presentation of candidates for completion. And this will be followed by the acceptance and confirmation by Dr. Florinda G. Dinoco, the Public Schools District Supervisor of Mangok North District, for our candidates for completion.
First is CFSS 05, G. Dinoco, our Public Schools District Supervisor of Mangok North District. Ma'am, may I present to you 34 male and 37 female. A total of 71 candidates for completion who have satisfactorily complied with the minimum requirements prescribed by the Department of Education, 3rd Junior High School, this school year 2023-2024. Ma'am, they are now ready for your acceptance and confirmation. By virtue of the authority vested in me as a representative from the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, SDC.
And behalf of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. SDC Ebe Sasufay, duly represented by Dr. Florinda C. Dinoco, Public Schools District Supervisor, to hand over the distribution of the actual certificates to be assisted by
Austria, male competitors, and boy, Juan Dong C.
Pelicano, Natalie B. Resita, Richely M. Ramos, G. Princess M. Pelicano, Laser Joy M.
Supervisor, Authorized Representative of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Christine C. Ever, Sesopay, to be assisted by Ma'am Edna G. Umbecan, School Principal 1, and other esteemed guests in the awarding of medals to the completers with distinction and special awards.
Academic Excellence Award. Commendador Meryl R. with high honors.
This office, Mr. Vidal Bencha. Our distinguished guest na who will be introduced later, so hindi na po siya paghingan to the performing staff and personnel of Bangi National High School. Congratulations, Sir Jamican, para natin ang sa inyo. Indeed, sa mga kinikanan na nakatagad mo yung suporta sa inyo na, you are blessed now with efforts. The fruit of your efforts, mga kabatahan na i-complete sa inyong junior high school this afternoon.
National High School. Allow me to say this, she is a woman of excellence who possesses beauty, wit, diligence, resilience, passion, and above all, a God-fearing individual. She was born on December 19, 2000, and raised by her parents in our humble barangay. Fast forward, she graduated in her elementary at Pangi Elementary School. She also finished her secondary and senior high school at Pangi National High School with flying colors and got the spot as with honors. In her tertiary, her life was full of treasures as she volunteered as a research teacher in grade 12 at Tagum City Comprehensive National High School, the community extension of University of Mindanao Tagum campus. Aside from that, she proudly achieved, presented, and defended her research paper as she joined the second International Undergraduate Multidisciplinary Conference. And lastly, she graduated recently at the University of Mindanao Tagum campus with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, just this year. Ladies and gentlemen, I am more than happy and proud to welcome our guest speaker for this afternoon ceremony, no less than our alumna, Miss Shulamite Villas Arado.
Thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Mom. And to our dear Principal, Ma'am Edna G. Umbecan, and to our school division Superintendent, Ma'am Christine C. Ever. And most importantly, students and proud parents. Today marks a significant milestone in your lives. It is a day of celebration, reflection, and anticipation. Your dedication and perseverance have brought you to this moment, and for that, you deserve a highest praise. This is not a merely an end, it is just a beginning. It is a commencement of a new chapter filled with endless possibilities. The world you are stepping into is one of a rapid change and profound opportunity. As you navigate this dynamic landscape, remember that your education has equipped you more than just knowledge. It has given you the tools to think critically, to innovate, and to lead. In these coming years, you will face obstacles and struggles. Let me share a glimpse of my experiences during my high school years. During my high school, I remember na kamay pag-ayo ang mga rules. And I am one of, proudly say that I am a product of senior high school here at Pangi National High School. Sa una, payag pa jud in tawon. Ulan, init, padayon gihapon sa pagskwela. Ug makita nako nga grabe ka kugihan ang mga teachers diri ang dapitan. And graduated as with honors. During my college days, I experienced a lot of struggles. There will be times or moments of doubt and uncertainty if tama ba niya akong isudlan ng course or di na siguro ko magpadayon kay murag mahal man siguro ang tuition diri basin dili kaya sa akong ginikanan. Gali mo kay numdum pa ko during examination magkulang pa silang mama o kwarta para lang maka-exam ko. Usay pang pamasay na lang o print na lang ang akong baon kay lagi igo-igo na dyan. Pasalamat na lang sab ko kana ako yung mga classmates na nakasabot sa akong sitwasyon. And ang feeling na maulaw na lang ka mukhaon sa gawas, uban nila. Pero naa sila ang damotabang sa ko miingon nga. Pastora, kay Pastora Manggani akong tawag dito sa eskwelahan. Even my program head, Pastora ang tawag nila sa kuwa. I don't know why. Ino sila sa kuwa, Pastora, sabay ta mga on sa gawas, ayaw ka balaka, ako'y bahala nimo. Pakinumdum sab ko nga before ko moadto sa eskwelahan, dapat anang buntag mag-harvest ako gulay, then pagkahapon ni eskwela na. Usahay pag walay klase, mamaligya pa ko sa palengke. Gali na ay time nga gipalitan pa ko sa mga teachers sa Pangi National High School, and even my program head, mayon siya. Di ko kalimot, mayon siya sa ako nga. Muni ko gihara estudyante, kanang maayo pagdako sa mga ginikanan. And I smiled and said na salamat kayo sa Ginoo, sir. I tried my very best. Ang tuwag magman sa pag-eskwela. Galing kinasenta ko sa kumain nga, tigsadog ko maguyab-uyab kay. Basta makurap ang ako mind. And I tried my very best to excel in school, to make my parents proud, na bahalag dili ko ma-this list. Basta makuha na ako ang pangarap na madali ko sa akong research, and dali mahuman.
God never fails me. Sobra-sobra pa yung ihatag sa kuha. I attended the second International Undergraduate Multidisciplinary Research Conference last 2022 via Zoom because it's pandemic time. So that open doors, I became a volunteer teacher in Tagum City National Comprehensive National High School teaching research and graduated last April 12, 2024, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. And I am very proud being a product of Pangyo National High School. Be humble and put God first in everything you do. In closing, let me leave a verse in Proverbs 16:3 says that, commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Congratulations, the world awaits your brilliance, and go forth and shine brightly. Thank you.
Of Education, Pangyo National High School. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Shalmay D. Arano in recognition of her exceptional presence, time, and competence as guest speaker on the occasion of 9 Moving Up Ranks of Pangyo National High School with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa makatanggap ng bukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Presented this 29th day of May 2024 at Pangyo National High School, Pangyo Mabog Davao de Oro. Signed, Edna G. Obeda.
Supervisor, Dr. Florinda G. Dinoco, parents, classmates, and friends, good afternoon. As I stand before you today, I feel a deep sense of gratitude and joy. Today is a special day because it marks the end of a long journey filled with hard work and dedication. Firstly, I want to thank our parents. To my mama and papa, your love and support have been my foundation. You have always believed in me, even when I had doubts. The sacrifices, small talks about my future, and unwavering faith have motivated me. We are here today because of the strength and wisdom you have given us. Thank you for being our foundation.
This time, requesting again our visitors to proceed now at the center stage for the photo opportunity. And completers, just stay in there, hang in there. We'll be going.